This man won't stop macking with the big girls. He like them big. He like that extra meat on them. He nervous. Look at him rocking. He nervous. Alright, hey guys, I'm back with another video. And today I have no plan at all for this video. And I actually have no clue what I'm doing. But I know I'm leaving the house with my homie Jordan. And we always get some cool pictures just depending on where we go. So I'm just gonna take y'all with me, and we're actually just gonna vlog like a normal video. And I've never done this before, so it's just kind of like off the rip, and we're just gonna have some fun. And I'm gonna just we're gonna take some pictures throughout the day, and we'll see what kind of pictures I get from just leaving the house and just going to Austin and just doing random stuff. I'll see y'all in the car, question mark? I don't know, see y'all. Alright, this is the outfit for today. We got the red flannel from Coastal Coat, that was a brand collaboration. And we got the Chelsea boots on. So let's hop into the video. This man won't stop macking with the big girls. He like them big. He like that extra meat on them. He nervous, look at him rocking. He nervous. Rich man. Like a movie scene. Hey guys, let's little break in the video. I'm about to explain what's going on. So pretty much we're about to head in and out, and then we go back to the mansion, and then we take the pictures. So like that's the layout for the rest of the video. And if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to leave a like and comment below, because I really appreciate those. Those show like the real connections I'm making with y'all, like the community I'm making. The views don't really matter too much because the video could just randomly go viral. So I'm not really pressed on that, but like the 80 of y'all who like consistently watch my videos, I really appreciate y'all and love y'all a lot. So I'll see y'all in the rest of the video. Y'all talking about how some half-naked homeless dude's gonna touch y'all while y'all driving? Okay. Hey, real question is, what y'all doing if a homeless man touch your lip? What? What do you do if a homeless man touches your lip? What do you do? You gotta cut the whole lip off. What else can you do? You gotta cut the lip off at that point. Why? You just gonna let your lip be touched by a homeless man? Can't you? You can wash his hands for like 6 months. There's poop on your lip now. Just gonna let that poop sit on your lip. Extra. Sure. Do you want a drink? No, thank you. I'll take a water. Okay. The cheeseburger plain, fry in the water? Yes, ma'am. Okay, all for here. I'll be 5. Good. How's your day so far? Pretty good. Just going around to places. That's perfect for the weekend. That's what weekends are making. She fed up with She fed up. She tired of it. Look at this nigga. Simping. He's simping. That's 84 and 83? He's simping. I called him out. You don't know what to say. Okay, no. Certified. I put a stamp with certified simp badge right here. Put you in a license. Is it simp if it's your girl, Donald? Yes. Let's do it. Right, move. Just some salt. I'm upset. 50,000 on my. That's a cheap. Hop it in the Beamer. They don't call these Beamers, but I don't know what they call them. Ain't go a day without you. Cocaine all on the counter. Alright, so we about to go outside and we finna get a, bro, y'all are tweaking, stop playing. We're finna go outside and we're finna get a, like a car shot I'm gonna be in the middle, and then we're gonna have the Beamer lighting me up, and then we're gonna be, the Z? The red Z. We're gonna have a red. I'm gonna be sitting on a red Z, like standing in front of it, and like in front of his big house, and that's gonna be the picture. Ooh, that boy stanky. Yeah, you can leave the Beamer right there. And then just put the Z, like, I'd say in this corner, like right here. Him about to go crazy. It's so dark. But that's what we got here, this right here for. Look at him, he's stunting on everybody like that. In the house. I want a picture right here too, before I dip out of here. Woo. And yeah, reverse it a little bit and back. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right. This picture about to go crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna frame it kind of like this. Yeah, it's just like this. I'll be standing right here, or I'll zoom it in some and stand in the middle. Turn the brights off? Yeah, that's fine right there, probably. Alright, I'm gonna get this shot and then I'm gonna talk to y'all after I get it.
Yeah. Squad bands, bellow foreign tan. She ignored that man, fucking with me handstand. I can't lie, she got that good, but that girl bad. I stay with her, back, make that girl dance. Let's go, yeah. What is mine, that is yours.
Alright, so I think that's just the end of like the video. I'm not quite sure if there's anything left. I mean, y'all see more of me, but I think that'll be the end of it. I'm gonna talk about the pictures in a second while I'm at home. So I'll see y'all there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, welcome to the end of the video. So if y'all are new here, we go through the pictures at the end of the photo shoot here. And so like we usually put them right here. So first picture is the thumbnail of the video. So Bob, read for me. So this picture right here, honestly, I really like it. Just the composition and just like, it just makes me look like I'm richer and cooler than I am, which really none of it's mine. So like, I don't know why I would feel cool about it, but like, it's a cool picture regardless. Like all the colors just come together perfectly type stuff. And then the next picture I have is honestly my favorite picture from the shoot. I just want to cut to that straight away. All right, boom, right? Here's my favorite picture from the shoot personally. So basically, like, the way I did this was like the car lights from the Beamer were coming in really hard on my face, like really harsh. So I cut the ISO like really low on my camera, which made everything else really dark, but my face that was lit up like really bright. So I just brought the shadows back in post, and it just made this really cinematic looking picture where like the light hits my face and like falls off dramatically. And like, you see the coastal coat at the bottom, and it just looks cool to me. And then some other shots I got were like interior shots of the car, which look like a movie set almost. I don't know, it just looks like really like high production-y, just because the car is a foreign, it's a Japanese car, and the steering wheel's on the right side. So I thought that was really cool. And then I got some pictures, some other pictures. I just throw them up around the screen. Here, I also got this one. I also got this one. And so I like these pictures a lot, and they're all hit with the same preset I use, and they're all my presets. So one day I'll have presets to sell, but until then y'all just have to watch the editing videos. And then here's some pictures of the homies, that cars they wear. I'll tag them in the description because it is his house and stuff like that. So here, right here. And if you enjoyed all these pictures, you know, you should go smash the like button, because why not? If the pictures are good, then you enjoyed the pictures at least. Honestly, if y'all want an editing tutorial on them, I would not mind giving it, because these were very fun to edit and I like the style I chose for it. So I'll see y'all next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Have a good day.